This episode is brought to you by Liquid IV. Whatever adventure you take on, whether it's exploring abandoned places like me or just starting off your day, you should always stay hydrated with Liquid IV as it provides 2.5 times faster hydration than water alone, containing 3 times the electrolytes than traditional sports drinks, and having 5 essential vitamins never hurt anyone. Why wouldn't you give it a try? You can use my code ABANDONEDDALLAS at checkout for 20% off your entire order and free shipping. Liquid IV, fueling life's adventures. An abandoned arcade slash go-kart track. Look at that. It's like, it's completely frozen in time. Damn, these balls, are they supposed to be inflated, these?
They're supposed to be.
No way I made that the first time. Usually suck at those games. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Completely intact. This place is a literal time capsule. Wow. It's kind of eerie how quiet it is. You can have, just picture yourself, kids running around. Look how the prizes are still on the wall. That is wild. Dude, look at that. All the prizes. Still on the wall. They're still like brand new knockoff Barbies. Look at that. It's for the ticket eater machine. Don't know exactly what it does, but it's right here. Put your tickets and it eats them, counts them, and then you pick your prize. This is one of the prizes, and they're still completely in the box. All right, Dave, switch it on. All right, guys, here's a little treat for you. Looks like somebody busted a glass, but check this out.
There we go.
The lights are still on. All the power is still on.
There we go.
What the fuck? Mind blowing. This is probably one of my other favorite games in the world. Except I don't have a puck, so can't really play right now. Oh my gosh, a cyclone. I hate these games because these are always rigged. I feel like they're always rigged. So I'll tell you how many tickets you get if you hit the jackpot, and there's just random stuff in it. These right here. The good old punching mat. This thing has been punched so much. Let's try to do one-handed. Good old pool table, or billiards, whatever you want to call it. Just these games just going to waste. Look, we got some tickets. Cool. I don't know if this was a game or just a phone. a super mount on the M, so I don't know. Let's go back into the employee only section. Got a bubble wand. Still bubbles in it. Delicious hot pizza, which is never true. Oh, cool. Cotton candy machine. Guys, there's still soda in here. But of course, the only ones left behind is a Diet Coke, because who likes Diet Coke? Out of order, out of order. Look at all these tokens. Tokens everywhere. Crap. My friend Fort Worth Explorer, he's trying to start one of the go-karts. He's very determined to get this thing started. This thing's gonna be so loud. Maybe it's got bad gas, no?
Probably does, but it still should start.
Probably a bad battery too. This is pretty damn amazing. I've never seen a fully intact arcade like this in a very long time. It's pretty hot here because it's a pretty hot day in Texas, but we're gonna push through and see what else we can find. Skee ball. It's one of my favorite games that I can play in an arcade. Very cool.
Over there, and that's where
And it just comes back and smashes my lens. It's a racing machine. Oh, it's the ones that, I think it's the ones where the chair moves.
and it's pretty fucking cool. It's a nice bridge. I wanted to get out and like actually.
Pretty neat. Somebody stole them. Somebody stole the sheriff.
Like, where's your leg? You can't get through the door. You'll have to climb outside the door.
Oh, really?
And it's like go get the magic door opener and bust that window for you.
Shit. Yeah, I know.
I mean, like, there's nothing out there worth.
No. Look at how big the speedway is, though. It's actually pretty decent size.
Also, I think it's in the outside of your own pit next to speedway shit.
Get out, guys. It's the go-kart garage. It's where they would do repairs. They have all the replacement parts. Bunch of little engines here. They even left their toolbox. Look at these tools. This is completely filled with tools. Look, I know those engines aren't cheap. Wow. Look at these go-karts. Just waiting for a new home. I'm sure people could still use these just fine. It's wild. Hot and spicy nachos. Anyone? I'd like to thank my friend Abandoned Texas for bringing me along on this adventure. You should definitely go follow him. His link will be down below. Also, go follow my Instagram as well, as I update regularly with abandoned photography and reels. Until the next exploration, everyone, that's all I got.